On an island kissed by sunlight, where the sea meets mountain skies, there's a town of timeless beauty, a hidden jewel before your eyes. Partly by the sparkling coastline, partly where the Nebrodi rise. Stone-built homes tell ancient stories.
Ciao, benvenuti, and welcome back to our channel, Move to Italy Now. Today we are in Santo Stefano. Now I have a question for all you viewers. What if you could buy a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home right in the heart of Santo Stefano di Camastra for well under market value? What if you were just steps away from the train station so that you would never need a car when visiting home on this beautiful coast of Sicily? And what if it was a light fixer-upper so that you didn't have to worry about doing tons and tons of work, that when you came home, you could experience la dolce vita immediatamente. Is that even a word?
Immediatamente.
Well, you might just say that that's a dream, but today we're going to show you what could be your dream come true.
Yes, very true. You know, recently we had one of you viewers who had purchased a home here off of one of the videos we did, and he came out to view his home for the first time. And that was quite a nice experience. He came out, I had our geometer to meet him. He met the seller. He got to check out his views, which was really exciting. And of course, he took a bunch of measurements so he can hit the ground running as soon as we close on the deal, which is actually going to be in like 10 days. So that's pretty cool, huh?
Yes, it is very cool. And we wanted to share with you what he said. This gives you an opportunity to see what it's like to work with us, okay? I came out here to see my house for the first time. The house was just as expected from the video and so nice to see in person. I can't imagine going through this whole process without someone like Carlo on my side. He's been my navigator in chief, and I couldn't have done it without him. I can't wait to move in.
So, today's tour, let's move on with this home that has all the bones, all the bells and whistles. It just needs an interior paint job, some cleanup, replace the air conditioner, less than $5,000, and you will walk into tens of thousands of euros in equity. You'll see what we mean in a moment. Here we go.
Here we go. Andiamo.
Andiamo.
And every heart will know this is real. This is where you wanna be. This is the sweet, beautiful town in Sicily.
Today, I am excited to present to you a very, very light fixer in a very special location. We're going to go to the ground floor, meaning we're going to descend 2 floors of very gently descending steps here in the apartment building. And in fact, the monthly Homeowners Association dues are between 35 and 40 euros a month for the maintenance. And this building does need some maintenance, some deferred maintenance. And what we're going to view today is a very, very nice apartment opportunity here that has been closed up since the beginning of COVID. So it just hasn't been lived in at all. It's kind of a mess, but nothing of significance. And you will understand exactly what I mean when we enter this very exciting opportunity here. Casa Zia Maria. And so that in English would be Aunt Mary. So here we are in a very long entryway that really essentially is being treated like a corridor. Now, again, I told you you're going to see a lot of junk in here, a lot of old extra furniture. It's been used almost as just a storage place. But this is not a skinny little corridor here. It's just that they put all these pieces of furnishings along the sides, and they're making it look really, really skinny. So take a look at the floor, first of all. All of this tile comes right from here in Santo Stefano. And this building was constructed in 1975. Now here we're going to see the first bathroom laundry room. And obviously it's not much of a bathroom, you just got a sink and a toilet here, but certainly you could add more fixtures in here because it's a fairly sizable room, and we treat it as a separate laundry room. Again, you're obviously going to have a much different choice of decorating, and so that's your choice. But see, they put so much junk on the sides, you can barely get through here. And what we have hopefully helped you to understand is look beyond all the clutter. Just look beyond it. Now we're going to enter what is the dining and kitchen area, and fortunately they've already done what you're probably likely going to want to do, and that is remove a wall. So what they did is they put in a nice serving bar here, and so I'm very pleased with that. So we're going to walk through this area, and this is just loaded with so much furniture. If this place were empty, it would look so much larger. But what you really want to look at are the expensive features of this place. Obviously, you're going to want to repaint. That's a cheap fix, all right? The real investment might be in moving walls, plumbing fixtures, all that kind of thing, and in fact putting in a new kitchen, which is something you're not going to want to do here because you have a very nice kitchen, all hardwood. In fact, really nice. These cabinets here, gosh, you just couldn't really ask for a much better quality cabinet. Full gas range here, a stainless steel sink system. I like that. Yeah, it's just got everything, all the modern conveniences here, and I'm very, very pleased to see the expensive features are all in, okay? So now again, looking at your area here, that would make a great eating area with your serving bar right here. So it's a very functional feature of this room, the fact that they removed the partition. Great idea. Now, we're going to walk out onto, this is what, again, we call the money shot. Remember, this has been abandoned since before COVID, all right? So I want to make that clear, but try and see beyond all of this now. This is a very huge terrace. This land over here, and I'm gonna say it now, I may even say it again because it's so very important. These fruit trees need to be pruned, and you will see in a minute why I say that. But you have this planter that runs the entire full length. I mean, you're looking at about, oh gosh, at least 50 feet in length of planter, and that's your vegetable garden right there. You've got a nice diamond pattern on your pavement here. Real nice aluminum clad shutter doors. You've got 1, 2, 3 different doors ingress to the house here, and a plumbed porcelain laundry sink. Now, this is why you want those trees trimmed. You don't have a sea view, you have a panorama of the sea. So you can't really see Cefalu from here, but you can see on the northeastern end of this, down through Caronia and all the way to Capo d'Orlando, which I'm going to show you right now. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so the trees have to be trimmed. Okay, I'm not going to say it again. So, back into the kitchen here, and I think you can see that this, other than a paint job in this room here, it's good to go. Really good to go. Nice to have both egresses here onto that beautiful terrazzo. So we're back into this long entry, whatever you want to call it. The furniture can be included. The quality of some of this furniture is very high, so you may want that. I just know you're going to decorate differently. I absolutely am sure of that. And again, this room in great shape. There's just one little exception here, and I'll show you in a moment. But this is something you don't see very often. It looks like the screen is broken. It's not. It's just when he opened it up, he kind of jacked it up. So, but bug screens, which you don't always see in southern Italy. But the one spot I promised I would show you is right here. There was an issue attached to the bathroom where there was a leak, and it created some problems here years ago, and they just left it. They never repaired it. So you have a little bit of plaster repair, definite paint throughout the interior. This is a huge armadio. And you want to guess where it was? Right there. They got too lazy to paint behind it. Okay. Now notice these doors, all custom, and this obscure glass, very, very nice. They would be very expensive to replace. So you got a real positive here. Now here's your second bathroom and the real bathroom. Right now it's just a 3/4 with a shower here, although there is room to put in a tub if you chose. But the tile is great. The whole structure of this is just great. Toilet, bidet, and then a window right out looking at the sea. Not a bad feature, huh? But this is the sum of your bathroom here. Very, very nice. So I think you can see that the things that need to be done are the minor repairs and cleanup and all that kind of thing. As an old investor, I can tell you that's what I used to look for. That's where the money was. I would walk into some incredible equities by purchasing the properties that looked and smelled bad, but they had the bones. And I think those of you investors, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and you know it can be a very lucrative proposition. In this particular case, you would most definitely be walking into equity. Look at the size of this room, another good-sized bedroom right next to the bathroom here. And this window is actually just for light here to another little room, which could be a master bath for this room right here, if you wanted to have a 2.5 bath. Right now, they're using it as a child's bedroom. Yeah, that's all it is. And I think you can come up with a better use. This could be the master bath in here, certainly would work. Or this could be your ripostiglio, a very large storeroom, but it's tempting to put in a master bath here. And this could be quite a nice luxury home, 111 square meters. And right now you have 2.5 bedrooms. Frankly, you just have the master there, and then this could be turned into a soggiorno or living room, and could be very easily attached with a doorway in here to the kitchen eating area. There's no reason to have this many partitions, in my opinion. I'm seeing that there are beams up here, so you probably could knock out these walls behind here. That's something that I would probably want to investigate. At any rate, do you see the opportunity in Casa Zia Maria? So looking at the apartment building here, we are at the stairs that take you from this street all the way down to the train station, as you can see right down there. Okay, and this is how people coming in from the train will access Santo Stefano, because it goes from here all the way up here across the street. And then look at these steps. They continue to take you directly up to town up there. So essentially we are right dead center between the historic center and the train station. So very, very convenient location.
This is where you wanna be. This is the sweet, beautiful town in Sicily. Stone and sea.
guys, what did you think about this one? Did you love the images that I added into the video? Now, again, as Carlos said, those are things that you don't have to do, just little added touches that you could either do or not do. But I wanted to say we've gotten quite a few subscribers in the last week, and we really wanted to welcome you all to Move to Italy Now, this channel.
Yeah, very true. And if you think you want to move forward on this or any of the properties we feature, once you've seen the tour, it would be wise for you to email us immediately. The email address is in the description. We feel we owe it to you to make sure that all of your questions and concerns are addressed before you pull the trigger. That means a lot to us.
For those of you who are new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed, please do consider it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're on your phone, please hit that hype button. It really helps our channel.
So we want to thank you again for being with us for another tour. We'll have another one next week. But in the meantime, ciao for now.
Alla prossima. Ciao.
Pack one bag, let the morning go. Bare feet on the towel at the door, I know. You call my name like a line in a dream, and I follow it down to the open sea. Salt on my skin, sun on my face. Every little worry falls out of place. I've been running hard, now I lean in slow. Let the current take what I used to hold, and it feels so close, like I've been here before. The air says wait, then opens the door. Dream life in Sicily. Dream life in Sicily. I hear the waves of the sea. I see the clear blue water. Time stands still for me. Life feels brand new. Dream life in Sicily. Dream life in Sicily. Old stone steps in the market cart. Lemon in the shade and the beating heart. Kids in the square.